WWE's resident superhero.
Yeah, here to get rid of all the evildoers in WWE.
The following contest is a submission match. Making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Many villains have found their secret weakness is the Hurricane.
As unbelievable as it may sound to say out loud, you guys remember the time Hurricane beat The Rock?
Yeah, I do. What's up with that? So I got a question, guys. Where do you think Hurricane got his superpowers from?
Wherever Hurricane got him, he should get a refund.
Well, guys, here's the human torture device.
Rugged, tough, no frills, no thrills. That is Timothy Thatcher.
And his opponent from Sacramento, California, weighing in at 225 pounds, Timothy Thatcher.
Well, this guy loves a good fight, and his cracked teeth are proof.
Oh, it's like a dentist's nightmare.
Nothing pretty, nothing fancy about Timothy Thatcher. Simply a man on a mission to inflict pain.
And we got to be expecting a cerebral match in this one, guys.
This will certainly test these competitors' knowledge of holds, escapes, and counters.
It's only tap or nap now for these superstars.
That catches Hurricane looking right in the... And here we go. Locked in. It's locked in. Gets to the ropes, and that's going to cause the ref to break the hold. Power for the suplex.
Corey, is there one thing a competitor must remember in this type of matchup?
Yeah, it doesn't matter if you beat your opponent to the point they can't get up. The referee could count to 100. A superstar has got to make their opponent submit. For some, that is the equalizer. An opponent could be stronger, faster, have more lethal offense, but if they cannot convert that to a tap out, it's all for naught.
Sunset flip. What a smash.
That is just insulting.
Blast off. You gotta love the lowdown. He's absorbed some damage already.
He looks as good.
All right, what's coming here? Submission move being applied.
This one's over. Tap out coming. A single leg camel clutch and a great counter.
DDT.
Ooh, the Hurricane answers back. Counter after counter. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Ah, shot to the back. Elbow drop right on point.
And Hurricane expected that.
Side Russian leg sweep. This is nasty. Eye of the Hurricane.
Oh, no. One of the most dreaded maneuvers in all of sports entertainment. Breaker.
Can Thatcher recover from that?
Oh, hold on. Is he thinking of the submission here? Look at the torque. There's no escape from the camel clutch.
The official asking him, is he going to tap? Is he going to tap out?
He's trying to hold on, but for how long?
And he releases the hold.
I don't think he had it fully locked in.
Uh-oh. Carefully measured. Oh, man! Leg drop arm breaker.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
Reversal on Hurricane. Sweet getting out of this. The single leg Boston Crab. Oh, just tap out. Just tap out and end this thing.
Losing this match would...
Using his leg strength to escape. He's cooking something up.
Put down face first. Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Timothy Thatcher's just getting... submission move. Fujiwara bar.
Submission locked in tight, nowhere to go, no escape. This trying to find a way out. And he's out and delivers a knee.
Punch to the stomach.
Down they go. And again.
We are seeing how bad this superstar wants to win.
Oh, foot just stomping down. Thatcher stumbling to get to his feet.
Oh no, one of the most dreaded maneuvers in all of sports entertainment.
Breaker.
Hurricane got it. Can he end it? And look at this now. Yes, applying the submission hold. Oh no, this is not where he wants to be.
Yeah, but can he roll?
That's it. That's it.
He taps, and this submission match is over.
Here is your winner, the Hurricane.
What a win for him here.
He really displayed his prowess in victory.
Absolutely. That's the kind of win that can catapult you to bigger and better things.